Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to another exciting video. Well, I'm excited because I'm going to meet one of my best friends and we're going to IKEA together. Love IKEA, and going with a friend is always better. So I'm just getting ready really quickly. Let's put on a timer for a maximum of 15 minutes. So just a maximum of 15 minutes, so I will not lose myself, because I really need to get out of the house in max of 15 minutes. And sometimes I talk too much. I know I do. So we're going to do it something quickly and fun, and starting with this Luminizer Primer 7-in-1 Serum Primer Dew Drops. Such a long name, but really nice product. So if I put it directly on the face, yeah, that can always also work, but it does not work well, I see, with my sunscreen. Kind of took everything out, so maybe I need to pat it. So I'm just taking one more drop and maybe pat it, but I don't feel like I took anything, so let's take more on my fingers. Just rub it. Yeah, tapping definitely better with the sunscreen. I just posted a video about sunscreens and you can check it out, but this is not the purpose of this video. I know. I'm just going to apply this Revlon. This is their Color Stay 24 hours. Mine is normal to dry skin, 250 beige, fresh beige. So this one has relatively high coverage. So I'm going to spread it with my fingers like I would with a cream, because I don't want a heavy coat. Again, we're just going to IKEA, and I do want to show skin. I don't like the trend that was, I think, a year ago, started by Meredith something, I forgot her name, when she applied so much foundation it looked like a mask. And I think she did it, you know, for views and popularity, and she did an amazing job with that because it worked, and I think she's a great person. But this is not the purpose of this video. I'm just, you know, chatting with you about everything that comes into my small little head. And that's it. I just want to thank in this opportunity to Michelle, one of my viewers that bought 2 of my shirts, and I know that she received them, and I really hope that she's enjoying them, and I really want to thank her for supporting my little business. Okay, I am distracting myself. Sigma, this is their Spectrum Color Correcting Duo. Mine is in light to medium. How much time do I have left? I have 11.5 minutes left. I'm just going to take from both, one of each, and pat it under my eyes to give some brightness back and cover all of these. Are you interested in talking about books? Because I found myself reading so much lately. Ever since I am not working, I have so much time, and I've been reading usually every morning before I start my work. I just finished a very good book, something The Silent, I forgot. Oh my god, I totally forgot. But did you see the movie It Ends With Us? I read the book and only after I finished the book I saw the movie. And well, that's a very complicated story, I think, of domestic violence, and I think the book is really tackling this issue with grace and with dignity to both parties. And I think this is one of the best books I read. I think I will give it 8.5 in a scale of 1 to 10. It's not a 10. There are things that I think needs to be better, but it conveys the message, and I really think it's a very good book. About the movie, not my cup of tea. I really like Blake Lively. I think she's great. I don't know the other characters. I don't know. I didn't really enjoy all the close-up of all the characters when they talked. I think the director just took it a bit too far. To my liking, of course. Keep in mind that this is just my opinion. You can have a different one. We can always agree to disagree. So if you saw the movie or read the book, do let me know. And do let me know if it's something that interests you. Which books I read, if I like them or not. I also read chemistry lessons. I did not see the series, I just read the book, and that was for me a 9 out of 10, just because the ending of the book. I'm not going to ruin it for someone who didn't read it, but I do think the ending, it felt like the author, how much time do I have? 8 minutes, okay. It felt like the author was at the end anxious to finish the book and didn't really know how. That was my impression. I'm just using my Sephora collection bronzer, which I love, and that's the impression I got when I got to the end of the book. But the book itself is one of my favorite books of empowerment to women. I think that it's brilliant, I really do. And the way that it's written and the storytelling is just perfect. And I enjoy reading it. And I also read another book. You know what? I'll just write to myself to insert the name of the book and Silent Something, which was, wow, definitely a 9. Definitely a 9. It's very hard to give a 10 because the book has to be perfect for a 10. But you know what? This one is even 9.5. I really, really loved it. Now I am applying just a tiny bit of this tone activator by Kaleidos, just to give myself an even tone on my eyelid. Okay, sometimes when I'm talking and I'm not concentrated, that is what it looks like. So I really enjoyed it. I just finished it yesterday, and the ending was a shock. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say, because if you're going to read it, I'm not going to spoil. I'm not going to spoil the fun. Now, for blush, I'm using my Sigma Cream Blush in Pashima. This is how it looks like. Very nice. Corally pink shade. I think I applied too much on my back of my hand, so let's not repeat the mistake on my face, because This is a mistake that it's harder to correct. Well, we're almost done. If you were worried, we are almost done. Yeah, that's enough. I don't want more. Okay, let's see how much time I have left. I don't know why it's always shutting down. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, I did my brows. Let's just put some highlighter. I'm using this one from Beauty Bay. I really enjoy this. Highlighter trio. Let's use Peach, which is the middle shade, which is more like a pink. I don't know why they call it a peach, but I really enjoy this. And do I have time to do something for my eyes? You know what? Let's just... It doesn't want to come back. Let's just put something on my lips and then we'll see if we have time for the eyes. This is from Catrice. Why do I want to say Clarins? I don't know. Cooling lip gel. And you have to wait until something comes out to the surface like this and then apply it, because it is a thick consistency. No, it's not enough. I really love the scent. Okay, now it's enough. I don't mind the applicator. I think it's really nice. It fits in my purse. I haven't taken it because I'm still taking this every time I'm leaving the house. Do you have time for eyes? Or we're just going to do mascara? We have 3 minutes. Can we do that in 3 minutes? Well, I imagine so. Which one will we take? I'm looking for browns. You know what? Maybe we'll take this one. This is from Beauty Bay, Wilderness, an old palette. I'm going to take this shade to my crease and outer corner. Just a tiny bit. Okay, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is not for the crease. This is way too dark for the crease. So I'm just going to apply it at the ends of my lid. If you read any new books that you can recommend, do let me know. I have so many that I need to read. I have a lot of books to read. I don't know which one to choose and start first. So if you have any recommendations, do let me know. I just took from this very pale color here and apply it to the crease, mostly to set the primer. Okay, I need to hassle because I need time for mascara. Let's use this nice shimmer shade. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay. More than I bargained for. Okay. But we can do that. If you've been watching my videos lately, you see that this is the way I love doing my eye makeup. Just applying something in the crease, something at the end of the lid, and mostly shimmer shade all over the lid. We can't see anything. This is it. Let's put mascara because we have 53 seconds left. I told you this is going to take longer than we anticipated. And I filmed in one shot. I did not stop for editing or anything like that. So if I weren't talking, this look takes me 5 minutes. If I'm talking, it takes me 15 minutes. So Just putting mascara, nothing too extravagant. Just to coat my lashes and to give them some shape. Just like that. Okay, we're ready. We're ready before you are. Let's see how much time we have left. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, I'm done. I really have to go. I have to pick her up and finish getting dressed. I forgot a necklace. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, you like this kind of videos, me just chatting and showing you my everyday makeup, where we can still see skin, do let me know if you enjoy it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and join my family here on YouTube. We have a lot of fun. This is, well, I love it. This is my hobby. I love my hobby. Okay, catch you all in my next video. Bye.